Safemoon recently made a massive move that will matter to cryptocurrency investors, and there seems to be a lot of hype building around it. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel, Crypto Money, the channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button before watching the rest of the video and support us. Let us talk about Safemoon a bit before jumping into the details. Safemoon is a newer form of cryptocurrency that has been linked with Dogecoin because it doesn't cost much to invest in. However, according to Benzinga, Safemoon doesn't have any clear use cases, which means you can't buy much with it. Safemoon is on the rise, though slightly. Safemoon has jumped about 5% lately, according to CoinMarketCap.com, which monitors the price and value of cryptocurrencies. One look at the Safemoon chart on CoinMarketCap.com shows that Safemoon spiked back in April before hitting something of a plateau in the middle of May. Since June, the value of the coin has begun to rise. Some of the rises might be because of social media hype. Safemoon made headlines recently after Kim Kardashian tweeted about another cryptocurrency, Ethereum Max. She asked her fans if they had heard of it. Safemoon also announced at the end of May that it had teamed up with Simplex, a financial institution licensed in the United Kingdom for crypto investors. Per Safemoon, the company provides fiat infrastructure for the crypto industry, securely processing credit card payments and making cryptocurrency accessible to all. The move will reportedly make it easier for investors to invest in Safemoon directly. The crypto had two significant announcements recently. One was about launching a Safemoon wallet, and the second was that Safemoon announced it had partnered with Simplex to begin offering streamlined and integrated Safemoon wallets for crypto investors. More on the first announcement later, but about Simplex, it is an EU-licensed financial institution that provides fiat infrastructure for the crypto industry, securely processing credit card payments and making cryptocurrency accessible to all. Safemoon's white paper doesn't cover any real-world uses. Instead, it focuses on how the seller's fee and manual burns of tokens should be good for the price. Putting so much attention on the price over ways Safemoon could actually be useful is a major red flag. The rest of Safemoon's website has vague information about goals among graphics with astronauts, stacks of money, and people climbing to the clouds. Its roadmap mentions completion of a Safemoon app, wallet, and games in the second quarter of 2021. The second quarter's almost over, and none of these are available. It remains to be seen what, if any, purpose Safemoon will serve. You can't buy anything with it, not even at Safemoon's own merchandise shop, which sells gear sporting the Safemoon logo. Created in 2021, Safemoon is the world's fastest-growing DeFi cryptocurrency made on the Binance Smart Chain, with 2.1 million holders and counting. The partnership with Simplex will enable crypto investors to invest in Safemoon much more directly. Doing things differently is both our starting point and part of our end goal, said John Caroni, Safemoon CEO. This new Safemoon wallet is a vital tool for our investors, and that's why we're happy to be partnering with Simplex, another company that understands the importance of operating on the principle of opening financial markets and strategies to everyone. One of our founding principles is transparency, so we're extremely public with a great deal of our activity. It's one of the reasons why we routinely hold Ask Me Anything or AMAs on Twitch. We want our investors to see and interact with us, to learn more about what we're doing, and to become as deeply involved with their investment as they choose to be. And that's just an entirely different approach to crypto and investing in general. And it's an approach we know works. Our growing army of investors is highly dedicated to our mission because they know we're just as dedicated to providing service and value to them. With Simplex, they can incorporate Apple Pay wallets. Specifically encoded to benefit long-term holders called hodlers, Safemoon is a new but extremely popular cryptocurrency that incentivizes long-term investment by offering a core liquidity guarantee. In a bold attempt to discourage price volatility, often incited by massive day traders or crypto whales, the Safemoon protocol charges sellers a fee of 10% of the amount sold while rewarding hodlers with 5% of the seller's fee in Safemoon tokens and storing the other 5% in a public liquidity pool. In addition, Safemoon opts for manual burns versus continuous burns, allowing Safemoon more control over the coin's overall supply. With some of the most avid fans in the cryptosphere, Safemoon skyrocketed to fame when it was featured in a sensational Times Square billboard ad wholly solicited by Reddit user IGH Properties and funded by the Safemoon community. Safemoon has also recently been featured in national publications like Fortune and The Wall Street Journal. Currently working on multiple evolutions and company branches for the future, Safemoon is planning the launch of an NFT exchange that would extend the Safemoon concept to other cryptocurrencies, a Safemoon app, and a deal with a significant African country that would integrate Safemoon as part of their public currency. Safemoon's distinctive feature is that anybody who sells their tokens is charged a 10% cost, with 5% of that money being redistributed to all other Safemoon owners, thereby rewarding those who keep their tokens and discouraging selling. Safemoon Wallet Card is Apple Pay compatible. According to reports, the Safemoon Wallet Card is usable at Starbucks, and Apple Pay is accepted at 85% of retailers worldwide. A tweet from the account Sean Witriol said, #SafemoonWallet will feature Apple Pay via #Safemoon, will be accepted in 65% of all stores in the flag of the United States and in 24 countries, Earth, Globe, Europe, Africa. The card number changes every time you use Apple Pay. It's a one-time use password, so if you used it and a manager hacked into the computer system a week later to steal your information or sell it to someone else, the number is worthless. Safemoon and Apple Pay will be accepted in 63+ countries. It is supposed to have 500 million+ users worldwide while supporting 25+ payment networks. Safemoon and Apple Pay account for 5% of global card transactions as well. According to reports, the Safemoon Wallet Card is usable at Starbucks and Apple Pay is accepted at 85% of retailers worldwide. Since this announcement, there have been many conversations regarding the same. Reddit has been going crazy since then. This was great news to me. If they integrate it in the wallet app, we will be able to use Apple Pay to buy Safemoon direct? Apple Pay would allow us to use any debit or credit card to make buys, said a Reddit user. Another user started a discussion mentioning this. First off, I'm not sure if everyone understands how huge this is. I literally was shaking and started crying 1 minute into the AMA. The Safemoon card is a real-world application for crypto usage. John said you'd be able to use it at Starbucks. Apple Pay is accepted at 85% of retailers worldwide. The security is second to none. Each time you use Apple Pay, the card number changes. It's a one-time only passcode, so even if you used it and say a manager went into the computer system a week later to steal your info or to sell it to someone else later, the number is useless. For the iPhone haters, I'm sure Google Pay will be incorporated later. But this is huge news either way. This was also just the first minute or two of the AMA. Everyone should be super excited about the future and what it means for all of us. A user added this comment to the discussion, yes, 40 million Safemoon for your package of socks, plus 4 million tax, so 44 million. 1 year later, that's worth $4.4 million, and you are now Bitcoin Greg. Nice try. These diamond hands didn't just appear magically, they were formed under intense pressure and heat. And they will never let go of the Safemoon unless I'm a billionaire because of holding. But if you need any items, I'll be accepting a Safemoon. Another said, when the project matures and we lose the 10% fee, then this could have its place, especially for international travel. Right now, I think it's unnecessary hype, and as said above, I think the team are coming dangerously close to overselling and under-delivering. A man said, really looking forward to the wallet and exchange, but I still don't get how Safemoon as a currency will work and wasn't sure what to actually take away from that long segment on Gambia. As you can see, everyone's buzzing about this partnership. We will just have to wait for the official confirmation now. Well, that is it for today. What do you think about the partnership between Safemoon Simplex and Apple Pay? Will this work out? How is this going to reflect on the market? Will Apple Pay work for Android users too? We have so many questions and not many answers. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about this. Also, let us know the answers to any of the questions we asked because we all want to learn from each other at the end of the day. Comment down your opinions on this. Please like, share, and subscribe before you leave. See you next time.